Welcome to our exploration of the incredible benefits of amphibious vehicles. These versatile machines are changing the way we navigate our world, both on land and in water. Imagine a world where flooded streets are no longer barriers, where remote islands are easily accessible, and where the transition between land and water is seamless. This is the promise of amphibious vehicles, a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of innovation. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of amphibious vehicles and discover how they are transforming industries, aiding communities, and shaping the future of transportation. When disaster strikes, every second counts. In the face of raging floods and devastating storms, amphibious vehicles emerge as beacons of hope, navigating treacherous waters with unwavering resolve. Picture this: floodwaters rise rapidly, cutting off access to stranded communities. Roads become impassable, traditional vehicles useless. These remarkable machines, equipped to conquer both land and water, become lifelines for those in need. Carrying essential supplies, medical aid, and skilled rescue teams, they bravely venture forth where others cannot, reaching those stranded by the deluge. The ability to transition seamlessly from road to river, from street to swamp, allows rescuers to reach areas inaccessible by conventional vehicles. Amphibious vehicles play a crucial part in the long process of recovery, transporting vital resources to rebuild devastated communities. They become symbols of resilience, shuttling construction materials, medical equipment, and aid workers to help communities rebuild their lives. From the beaches of Normandy to the Mekong Delta, amphibious vehicles have played a pivotal role in shaping the course of history. In the unforgiving theater of war, where adaptability and mobility are paramount, these vehicles provide a decisive edge. Imagine a coastline heavily fortified, a formidable barrier between sea and land. Here, amphibious vehicles showcase their true strategic value, spearheading assaults, transporting troops and equipment from ship to shore with unmatched efficiency. No longer hampered by the need to secure a beachhead, military forces can exploit the element of surprise, defeat enemies, and capture strategically important territory. In dense jungles where rivers and waterways snake through impenetrable foliage, amphibious vehicles provide a crucial lifeline. They can navigate treacherous terrain, transporting troops, supplies, and heavy weaponry to the front lines. This ability to traverse diverse environments without the need for complex logistics makes them invaluable assets in modern warfare. Beyond the realms of disaster relief and military operations, amphibious vehicles are also making a splash in the world of leisure and tourism. They offer a unique and exhilarating way to experience the beauty of our planet, bridging the gap between land and water, adventure and comfort. Imagine gliding through pristine waters, the sun warming your face before effortlessly transitioning onto a secluded beach, all in the comfort of a single vehicle. For nature enthusiasts, these vehicles unlock access to hidden coves, secluded islands, and pristine waterways, places inaccessible by traditional boats or cars. They allow you to witness firsthand the wonders of coastal ecosystems, observe wildlife in their natural habitat, and create unforgettable memories. Amphibious tours are becoming increasingly popular in urban settings, offering a fresh perspective on iconic cityscapes. Whether it's a thrilling adventure through mangrove forests or a leisurely tour of a historic harbour, amphibious vehicles add a unique dimension to travel, creating lasting impressions and fostering a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of our world. The pursuit of knowledge often leads us to the most remote and challenging corners of our planet. For scientists and researchers, amphibious vehicles are not just modes of transport, they are indispensable tools that expand the horizons of scientific exploration. Imagine venturing deep into a sprawling wetland, a labyrinth of waterways and dense vegetation. Traditional vehicles are rendered useless, but amphibious vehicles thrive in this challenging environment. They allow scientists to access previously unreachable areas, to study fragile ecosystems, collect vital data, and unlock the secrets hidden within these unique environments. From studying the impact of climate change on coastal erosion to monitoring endangered species in remote wetlands, amphibious vehicles empower researchers with unprecedented access and mobility. This ability to venture into the unknown, to explore the uncharted territories of our planet, makes amphibious vehicles invaluable assets in the quest for scientific discovery. In the realm of construction and resource management, efficiency is paramount. Projects often span vast distances, traversing diverse terrains and demanding innovative solutions. Amphibious vehicles are stepping up to meet these challenges, proving their worth as versatile and cost-effective workhorses. Imagine a construction project on the edge of a lake, a bridge spanning a wide river, or an oil rig situated miles offshore. These are scenarios where amphibious vehicles truly shine, transporting materials, equipment and personnel with ease. They can navigate shallow waters, traverse muddy shorelines, and even operate in flooded conditions, ensuring projects stay on schedule and within budget. From laying pipelines across rivers to constructing wind farms in coastal waters, amphibious vehicles are transforming the construction landscape. As our planet faces the growing challenges of climate change, rising sea levels and increasing urbanization, amphibious vehicles offer a glimpse into a future where transportation adapts to a changing world. They represent a paradigm shift from rigid transportation systems to flexible solutions. Imagine a city crisscrossed by canals and waterways, prone to seasonal flooding. Here, amphibious vehicles seamlessly integrate into the urban fabric, providing reliable transportation regardless of weather conditions. They navigate flooded streets with ease, ensuring residents remain connected and essential services uninterrupted. As coastal cities face the threat of rising sea levels, amphibious vehicles offer a viable solution for evacuation and disaster response. Their ability to traverse both land and water makes them ideal for navigating flooded areas, rescuing stranded residents, and transporting vital supplies. From responding to natural disasters to revolutionizing urban transportation, amphibious vehicles are no longer a niche technology. They are rapidly becoming essential tools in a world grappling with complex challenges. Thanks to their flexibility and versatility, amphibious vehicles are becoming indispensable in our modern world. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications for amphibious vehicles, further blurring the lines between land and water and transforming the way we live, work, and explore our planet.